afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Hope you're all doing well. What do we have today? We have, I've been waiting for that one for quite some time actually. So the Geekvape Aegis Boost. I've seen it, in a show, a month ago. So, I thought, I'll do the unboxing, with you and see what's it like. I really liked it. I tried it. I really liked it. So, we'll go through it, I'll unbox it and go through it in the close-up and tell you all about it. See you in a tick. The Geekvape Aegis Boost. This one is space black, as you can see there, Aegis, boost there, 2mm, 1500 mAh. You can actually get the, now, in the UK, you can get the pods now, the larger pods there, you can get them, you can buy them. Because they come in as accessories. Oops, so let's open it and see. All you need is break that one a bit. I haven't seen the space black one before. I've seen the gunmetal one. There you go. Oh, I like that. That looks quite nice. Very, very nice. This is a very simple. It's shock-proof, dust-proof, waterproof, apparently as well. It's always a lovely, lovely piece of kit. So, and it's quite light in weight. So you've got the cap there for, for the waterproofing, I suppose. There you've got a swivel, mouthpiece, which I do like actually. They should come also with a round one. Your airflow is here. As you can see, I mean, it's it's quite a simple piece of mod. I'm surprised by its lightness. It's fairly light for you look at it. Nice rubbery feel. This is all rubber, and obviously is waterproof. That's the charging port. There is a micro USB. Yeah, there it is, quite recessed actually in there, which is quite something. Well, they have to do that for the waterproofing, I suppose. The cartridge, what I need to, initially I think they are a bit hard, but you need to press here and, oh, there it is, it comes out there. And then you have to take off this part here. They do that, for transportation, so to avoid, firing while it's in the air or, or whatever, or what have you. And then you put it back, I believe it's that way. Yeah, you put it back, you put it from the back there, and then you need to press that one, and there it slots in. So it's quite secure. It comes with 2 coils, and there is a bit of let's have a look in here while we're on the close-up, so for you to see. They come with 2 coils, is 0.4 and 0.6 coils. They are very much, that's the round drip tip. As you can see, it's quite fairly wide one. That's your gadget there, in case you get you can take the coil out. So what you basically do is you put it in there and lift it. But I didn't find any any problems with that. So you just pull it. It needs a good pull because obviously it's brand new. So you need to pull it, and then it goes back in again. So it's fairly well quite tight. And this one is the 0.4 mesh, 25 to 33. It goes up to 40 watts. Anyways, so there is there is ample power for it. And then there you go, and then you put it back in again. If it is, I always put it the wrong way around, don't I? Right, put it at the back, and then you press, and that one goes in. Yeah, the 2 coils, that's probably the other, let's see what else is in there. That's your charger, and I think the coil is on that side maybe, yeah. And that's the 0.6. The 0.6 coil. Let's have a look. This is the 0.6 coil, as you can see, but it has its own compartment, so to speak. So there you are. So yeah, I've been looking forward, to that one for quite a while. The screen is very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and in the battery I take it is empty. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. No, there it is. Geekvape 10 watt. It starts at 10. It says there 0.45. Obviously, you're not going to press the button, otherwise, it's going to burn the coil. So, yeah, I'll fill the pods up and you know, come back and you know, vape on it and tell you, you know, my initial thoughts. That's what it is, firing at 20 watts. This is the 0.4 coil that is in there. So let's give it another puff. It's a nice amount of vapor. It's not so dense as other ones. So I mean, I'll compare it, you know, in a few minutes. The functionality of it, you know, is fairly straightforward. There's nothing to it really. I think you press the up and down, the power and down button. Let's see what happens. You for a few seconds, up and down button for a few seconds, then will reset your puff counter. Which yeah, there it is, reset. Then you leave it for a few seconds, or you press the button, and then it goes back again. You know, it just works, you know, as normal. The up, I think up and power, I don't think it does anything. No, up and power doesn't do anything. Both of them together, the that one, I think that will lock it. Let's see, that's locked now, so you can use it, but you cannot change the wattage, which is quite good, really. I mean, that's is like you know, all other ones, they are the same. So we press it, press and hold it, and then it's unlocked. Not much really, you know, to do. It's just simplicity itself. Right, let's change the pod now and put the 0.6, and when I change it, when I take it off, there it is off, and we got I bought actually the 4.3 to show you the difference between the two. I mean, I got the 4.3, I think it is. Yeah, there it is. So you can see that white bit there. They just put plastic in there just to make it up, you know, to block it to only take 2 mils. As opposed to that one is, you can see, you know, it's completely clear. So, you know, that's the difference between the two, but they're identical. So let's put the you know, I forgot now which is which, but let's see which one is that. That's the 0.6 one. The new coil, yes. So you will ask, you know, if this is a new coil or not. So that's the 0.6 one. And is well, it reads 0.58, but it is the 0.6 one. We'll leave it at the same wattage. Let's see. I don't see much difference between the two, to be honest. But that remains to be seen. You know, after use, you know, for about a week or something, you know, I'll come back and let you know. You know, do a video, you know, with the, you know, what's it like, and what does it feel like. But yeah, not much really to say about it. The obviously, because it's a waterproof, you can see there that's the charging port, which you take it out, and it's quite a recessed one. So I don't know whether I said it in the beginning or not, but there you are. We're going to try it again. That's the 0.6 one. So there isn't much difference really between the two. I personally, I would prefer the 0.6, because the 0.4 you would need to use a bit more power to get the same, and it will eat up the battery. 1500 battery, 1500 mAh battery, which is quite, you know, quite decent size, you know, to see you through, you know, definitely, you know, all day. And you know, the coils, you know, are not such low resistance like 0.3 and 0.2s, and these require, you know, quite high. It goes up to 40. I don't think anybody will use the 40, but you don't know. But yeah, here we are. I'll do a longer video, but that was just a quick, you know, unboxing, and you know, just to see, you know, how it vapes and all that. I have to say again, you know, the amount of vapor is not as dense as some other ones. I mean, let's compare it to the Vaporess, or the degree one. Let's try it. That's the 0.6, I believe that is in there, yes. You can see the difference. You know, this is all MTL stuff. Let's try this one. Very slight difference, but you can actually feel it, you know, when you use it. It's not as dense, you know, when it's coming out. But yeah, I'll see you again, you know, a bit sometime later in the week, you know, with a longer, a more detailed one about it, and tell you how I go on with it, you know, after a week of using. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that, and please subscribe and you know, ding the bell, like, share, whatever. Thank you so much. Have a great day.